I'm Vesna Dimitrijević. I'm archaeologist, meaning that I'm working on animal bones from the Iron Gates, Mesolithic and Neolithic. And I think that Iron Gates case is very good for illustrating Mesolithic-Neolithic transition, and that animal bone studies are very important from that point of view, because we could say that animals were somehow on the beginning of the inhabiting Danube terraces. The reasons for inhabiting Danube terraces are mostly those of hunting and fishing. Then this change from Mesolithic to Neolithic way of life is also well expressed when we compare taxonomic status, taxonomic composition on Mesolithic and Neolithic faunas. And we can see that there is a tradition and that things are not changing so quickly. But in the same time, we see from the beginning, from the early Mesolithic, that there is one domestic species, which is, we could say, one feature that is on that Neolithic side. But then, toward the end of the sequence, until the end of the sequence, there are no other domesticates, and only at the end of the sequence the domesticates appear, and in the same time this is the end of the sequence. And this is the completion of the so-called Neolithic package, that arrival of domestic animals like cattle, sheep and goat, and pig. I think is very important in our studies is that we are working on animal bones and on human bones side by side, and often we are performing various analyses both on human bones and animal bones, and these give us different point of views, and somehow this enables us to come to more certain conclusions.